together for travelers who want more from their journeys on the open road. Jayco has always been known for building RVs that are both family-friendly and durable, and with the 2026 Solstice, they've taken things to the next level by combining advanced technology, clever design, and premium materials to create a motorhome that feels like a true home away from home. As you step inside the Solstice, the first thing that stands out is the spacious interior, crafted to maximize every inch of available space. Jayco has given special attention to layout efficiency, making sure that families, couples, or even solo travelers can move around comfortably without feeling restricted. The living area is open and inviting, with plush seating, modern lighting, and large windows that flood the space with natural light, giving you a connection to the outdoors even when you're relaxing inside. The kitchen in the 2026 Solstice is built with convenience in mind, equipped with high-quality appliances, a sleek countertop, and smart storage solutions that make cooking on the go not just possible, but enjoyable. Whether you're preparing a simple snack or a full meal, the kitchen is functional and stylish, offering everything you'd expect from a premium motorhome. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining space, designed to give you a cozy spot to gather with family or friends, whether it's for meals, conversation, or just enjoying a cup of coffee while planning your next stop. The bedroom is another highlight, with a queen-size bed that offers comfort and support for long nights on the road. Jayco has also added thoughtful details like reading lights, USB charging ports, and overhead cabinets that allow you to keep your essentials close by. For those who need even more sleeping options, the motorhome provides convertible furniture and additional sleeping areas to accommodate more guests, making it versatile for different types of travel. The bathroom in the 2026 Solstice is designed for practicality without compromising comfort, featuring a full shower, toilet, sink, and storage. It's a private, well-thought-out space that ensures you can enjoy the convenience of home no matter where you are. One of the things that truly sets the Solstice apart is Jayco's focus on technology and safety. The 2026 model comes with advanced driver assist features, intuitive control panels, and entertainment systems that keep you connected and in control throughout your journey. The build quality is also worth noting, with a strong chassis, premium insulation, and durable materials that ensure the motorhome is not just beautiful, but reliable and ready for all kinds of adventures. On the exterior, the Solstice carries a sleek and modern look, with stylish graphics and a sturdy build that immediately catches the eye. Outdoor storage compartments, power awnings, and exterior entertainment options make sure that your time outside the motorhome is just as enjoyable as inside. With the 2026 Jayco Solstice, the company has managed to blend elegance, comfort, and rugged dependability into one impressive package, making it an excellent choice for those who want to experience the road in style without giving up the conveniences of modern living. This is a motorhome that will truly make every journey special and every stop unforgettable.